Hey everyone, welcome to the first Extremophile Podcast. Today's guest, who is known as the brine shrimp, coming all the way from the saline lakes and ponds of Eastern Europe, please welcome the Artemia salina.
Hello and greetings, very happy to be here.
For our podcast this evening, me as well as the audience would love to have a greater understanding of extremophile like yourself. With that being said, I have a series of questions regarding the Artemia salina.
Excellent.
Without further ado, let's get straight to it. To begin, in what ways would you consider your life form to be more extreme?
So, the lifestyles of the Artemia salina like myself are much different from the typical organisms you are used to seeing on an everyday basis. We are known for our ability to live through a wide range of environmental extremes, including high levels of salinity, extreme temperatures in waters, as well as a wide range of pH levels, which can be lethal to other aquatic life. For these reasons, I feel that our ability to tolerate this way of living is what separates us from other organisms and makes us more extreme.
Very interesting. And to add on to that, would you say your life form prefers an extreme environment, or can it simply just survive in extreme conditions?
So Artemia salinas are accustomed to survive in extreme environments rather than preferring them. While we can survive in more moderate conditions, our nature is well suited to handle extreme environments. Therefore, we can adapt to both conditions and can certainly live through more than just extreme conditions.
Fascinating. It comes to my surprise that your species is able to withstand these extreme ways of living. I mean, how's that possible? Because I know for a fact that you guys are incredibly small. What aspects of the kinds of your biology allow you to survive in such an extreme environment?
So we Artemia salina have numerous aspects that enable us to survive under these extreme circumstances. As said before, we have a high tolerance of salinity, temperature, and pH levels. In addition, we have what is called a cyst formation, which is a process where we encase ourselves in a protective shield. This ultimately sustains us from harsh conditions and allows us to stay dormant until the conditions around us get better. Another aspect is that we have enhanced salt glands, which is an organ for excreting excess salts and helps us regulate osmotic pressure and to cope with the high levels of salt surrounding us.
Very well said. And what other facts can you tell us about yourself? Where did the Artemia salina come from, and what is their role in the aquaculture?
Well, first and foremost, we are considered to be ancient. Since we have a history dating back millions and millions of years ago, we are actually believed to have existed in forms since the Triassic period, which is approximately 200 million years ago. And to add on to your question, we Artemia salinas are a valuable resource in the sea. Typically, we are used as food for many species of fishes and shrimps to consume.
Fantastic. And to conclude on this interview, what can you tell us about life beyond Earth? Is there any parallel from extremophiles to life beyond Earth?
As an extremophile, we can provide valuable insights into life beyond Earth. The ability of extremophiles to survive shows the possibility of how a similar life form can exist on other planets, or even beyond our solar system. For instance, the Artemia salina's ability to survive in extreme environments suggests that life can exist in seemingly non-survivable habitats. This ability can bring awareness to others to consider the possibility of life existing on other planets like Mars. The study of extremophiles, including my kind, ultimately expands to our understanding of the diversity in life, showing that there is potential life beyond planet Earth, and creates a much more broad knowledge of astrobiology.
Excellent and very well spoken. Well, that wraps up our podcast for today. Thank you so much, Artemia salina, for taking your time and consideration with us. We have learned so much. Till next time on the Extremophile Podcast.